Hi everyone, HeatherAnn Hughes here, wanting to share some information about my experience in working with Yasmin and Eleanor for their business workshop. I am a new business owner and entrepreneur about to launch an animal communication and energy healing business, and I joined the workshop because I really wanted a container to connect with a community of people and have a space where I would be able to be vulnerable and share some thoughts and ideas and really have the opportunity to get a lot of feedback, bounce back and forth, as well as have the input of Eleanor and Yasmin as the professionals. That what I loved most about the program was the ability to just have fun with it, really, and find the joy in the process, to not feel stressed or overwhelmed if I could not accomplish all of the tasks in the timing required, but to know that I have the information and that knowledge is power to do and use it at my own pace. I also discovered probably the biggest epiphany for me was that I don't need to be perfect and I don't need to wait to have all my ducks in a row or have everything worked out perfectly and looking perfect to start doing what I want to do and sharing with the world what I was put here for. So, kind of having that epiphany working with Yasmin and Eleanor has really helped me to get out of my own way and just start each and every day putting one foot in front of the other and making progress with building my business. So I'm excited to say I will be launching soon and sharing with the world what it is I'll be doing. And I have a lot to thank with the group that I was a part of and Yasmin and Eleanor. So I highly recommend their services. They're extremely knowledgeable and a pleasure to work with. So I think it's a great investment for you and your future, and it's important to partner with the right people on a journey like this, and these two ladies are definitely it. So thank you both, and best wishes to everyone starting their businesses.